Hey guys, this is the Oculus Quest 2 headset. It comes with a battery pack and adjustable strap that my son's going to show you guys here. He's going to demonstrate it and show you how to charge it. So go ahead.
Yep. So on this headset connection, you have a wheel in the back that if you spin to the right, it tightens it. And if you spin to the left, it loosens it. And then this right here is a adjustable head brace, which goes to the back of your head, just to make a perfect fit.
Can you guys see that right here? It adjusts to the back. Watch your arm real quick, bud. So it adjusts to the back of his head, and just by turning this knob, we can loosen it or tighten it to give him the extra head support that he needs. In addition to this strap right here, which can easily be adjusted with a good quality Velcro to help give it a good fit. How's that feel?
It feels really comfortable.
Okay, talk to him about the charging options.
So this right here, this is one big battery pack. And so right here on the bottom, there is a little charging port. So whenever you want to use the battery pack, or always, you're going to want to keep this wire that's connected to the battery pack into your original charging port, and then charge the Oculus on here. So you get a good charge on your battery and on your Oculus.
Yeah, so he's saying make sure that cable clip just stays plugged in at all times so you can have both. And then you can just charge them both at the same time, which is really cool. So, did we miss anything? We covered all the pieces. So again, the adjustable piece is really important because it can fit both him and me, which is important because I like to play Oculus too. But in addition to that, that extra battery pack can be really, really helpful in getting you the most time in your gameplay, especially when him and his buddies are having their friends over and trying to get a good long game night out of it. So if you guys are interested in that, you want to add that to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.